My name is Søren Rosenmeyer and I'm CEO of Right People Group. Today I'm going to give you a very short presentation here. I'm going to give you some key facts about Right People Group and then I'll show you our hire from anywhere concept. So let's dig in. Key facts. We founded in 2007 in Denmark. We have plus 200 million DKK in revenue, 60% in Denmark, 40% in rest of Europe. We are active in the following countries: Denmark, Norway, Sweden, Germany, Finland, Italy, and Spain. Denmark and Germany are our two biggest countries. We are a company that source all our consultants in the freelance market or from traditional consulting companies. So we don't have our own employed consultants, but always find the best solution in the market. We are very focused on our own digital innovation. We are a consultant broker that is highly focused on digital innovation, and we have a platform called onsider.com that is central in most things we do. And then another core focus is the use of the remote workforce. We want to be the best in enabling companies to build distributed top performance teams. And that's what I'm going to show you here with our hire from anywhere concept. So basically, let's say that you have a project where you can actually use a remote English speaking consultant. You can post it here on Onsider, but you can also send it to us via mail or whatever you want. As long as we know you have a need for a remote resource, then that triggers the following process. We assign it to a consultant delivery manager that is specialized in doing exactly this process of hiring from anywhere. And that person does the following. One, he distributes it. And we do this by using some of the global freelance platforms where you get massive amounts of applications, a lot of crap, but you also can get some good ones. And then we have a network of partner companies, primarily in Eastern Europe, Southern Europe, and some in Asia also, where we know that they can deliver really good stuff within certain competence areas. And then we have of course, the best LinkedIn access, and also have a lot of consultants mapped in different areas. So we use that. So that means that we distribute it broadly to get a massive competition for the specific task, and then we do the quality assurance, because that's where we see if you as a company go out in the remote market here, you get so much noise, so much crap that it becomes impossible to do. So what we do is that we simply select the best based on their presentation resumes, and then we do interviews with them, short video interviews where we test first of all their language skills. Is this a consultant that communicates well in English and communicates in a way where you are on the same wavelength as a Western European person, as a Dane, for instance? Then we do skill match tests, and we use a framework called Test Gorillas, where you simply have these 10-15 minute multiple choice test for a massive amount of different competence areas. And this is basically to find out, do they have their fundamentals in place? And then in the interview, we also ask them questions about their abstraction level. For instance, do they have an opinion about what is a good software developer in their field or a bad software developer in their field if it's a software development task? Do they have thoughts about that? Do they have reflections about what it is they actually do? And then in the end, we select normally 2 to 3 consultants. We give a specific summary of their experience fit to the task, and we're also very clear if there are areas where it does not fit perfectly. And then we also have a video presentation of the consultant that we do in our interviews, where the consultants simply present themselves. So that means that you get a link with a 30-45 seconds presentation of the consultant, and you can decide based on that, the CV, the price, and the experience fit report. Is that something that you want to spend 45 minutes of your life talking to this consultant? And then we present it to you via Onsider or via mail, depending on how you present it to us. That's it. That's our hire from anywhere concept. Thanks for your time.